Hi everyone, welcome to Presentation Pro, your online tutor for everything about presentations, PowerPoint, slides, and keynotes. Today I'm going to teach you how to add music or sound to your PowerPoint presentation. It will surely make your presentation more alive than the usual one. You can use your favorite music or specific sounds or whatever you prefer. So let's start creating one. First, you need to have your presentation ready and a sound file that you will use. You can either use MP3 file or WAV file as long as it's a sound file. So I have here a sample PowerPoint presentation that we're going to use, and we're going to add the sound or music. So the presentation is ready. Let me add the sound now. So you just go to insert, okay, and then you go to audio and then browse from file. Okay, let's wait for it. So I have my MP3 file here. This is the one. Then I'll just do insert. Okay, so this is the file. You can test it by playing. Okay, that's good. Then what options you can do when you insert your sound? You can play this sound on specific slides, or you can play this sound on all of the slides. It depends on what you want. You can also insert a different sound on every slides that you want. So if you go to the animations pane, this is the media. Okay, then you go to the options. Okay, from the option side, you can specify to play the sound on specific slides or on the active slides and the previous slides. It's up to you how you want this sound file to play. Okay, let's say I want to play this on the next 5 slides, so I'm just going to set it like that. So when we play this one, it should play up to this part. So because I specify up to 5 slides, then the next slides will don't the next slides we will not have any sound at all. Okay, so the sound is working. Let's try to play it. Right. So there you go. That's how you add a music or audio file to your PowerPoint presentation. You can specify as many files you want, and you can set it per slides or on specific slides. So that's it. So that's all for now. That's all for this video. Hope you learned something today, and thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Presentation Pro. Check my other tutorials. See you next time. Stay safe.